Living in alignment with the 12 universal laws of life opens the door to a force field of infinite possibilities, where thoughts, feelings, and actions harmonize in perfect unity, creating a life filled with peace, joy, and abundance. These laws, governing the cosmos and our very existence, provide a roadmap for navigating life's journey with ease, transforming obstacles into opportunities and dreams into reality. The law of divine oneness serves as the cornerstone of the universe, proclaiming the interconnectedness of all beings in a vast and intricate cosmic web. Every atom, star, thought, and action contributes to this grand unified tapestry. Embracing this unity requires a shift in perspective, recognizing oneself as an integral part of the cosmos rather than an isolated entity. Understanding the profound interconnectedness fosters empathy and kindness, encouraging actions that uplift not only oneself, but all of existence. Albert Einstein's words echo the essence of the law of divine oneness, urging us to transcend the illusion of separateness and embrace our interconnectedness with the universe. This law invites us to see ourselves as inseparable from the cosmos and act in ways that reflect this unity. The law of vibration asserts that everything, from tangible objects to abstract thoughts, is a vibration. Each particle of the universe vibrates at a specific frequency, and our thoughts and emotions also carry unique frequencies. Positive thoughts vibrate at higher frequencies, while negative thoughts vibrate at lower frequencies. By consciously choosing positive thoughts, we can influence our vibrational frequency and shape our reality. This principle is not merely a New Age philosophy, but is supported by quantum physics, as exemplified by Nikola Tesla's perspective on the secrets of the universe being revealed through energy, frequency, and vibration. The law of action emphasizes that dreams and aspirations are futile without the will and determination to act. It underscores the importance of taking deliberate and purposeful actions that align with one's goals. Breaking down goals into manageable tasks and taking consistent small steps towards them is a powerful strategy for achieving success in various aspects of life. The law of correspondence states that our external reality is a reflection of our inner world. Thoughts, attitudes, beliefs, and feelings shape our circumstances. Transforming negative thought patterns involves awareness, replacement with positive thoughts, affirmations, visualization, and gratitude. By incorporating these strategies, individuals can shift their mindset and transform their reality. The law of cause and effect, often referred to as the law of karma, asserts that every action sets in motion a chain of events. Positive actions lead to positive outcomes, while negative actions result in less pleasant consequences. Conscious choices guided by kindness, love, and goodwill can create a positive ripple effect, transforming lives and situations. The law of compensation states that individuals reap what they sow. Every action, thought, and feeling contributes to the results and circumstances of one's life. Balancing giving and receiving is essential in various aspects of life, fostering a delicate equilibrium. The law of attraction, a well-known universal law, operates on the principle of like attracts like. Focusing on and believing in desired outcomes draws them into one's life. Active visualization, combined with aligned action, is a powerful technique for harnessing the law of attraction. The law of perpetual transmutation of energy posits that energy is in constant movement and change. Thoughts, beliefs, and emotions serve as the rudder directing this energy. Consciously choosing positive thoughts allows individuals to transmute energy into a reality aligned with their aspirations. The law of relativity teaches the importance of perspective. Each person faces situations or problems for the purpose of strengthening their inner resilience. Comparing one's challenges to others' more significant issues helps shift perspective, leading to a more positive attitude and increased gratitude. The law of polarity recognizes the existence of dualities in the universe. Every challenge contains the seeds of an equivalent or greater benefit. Embracing this dichotomy allows individuals to transform struggles into opportunities for growth. The law of rhythm acknowledges the ebbs and flows of life, the natural cycles of success and failure. Recognizing these rhythms allows individuals to make peace with fluctuations and learn to dance with the rhythm of life. The law of gender emphasizes the balance of masculine and feminine energies within each person. Harmonizing these energies allows individuals to tap into their full potential and navigate life more effectively. In the journey through these 12 universal laws, individuals can apply them consciously in their lives, witnessing significant transformations. The power to shape one's reality and unleash full potential lies within. Embracing and understanding these laws guides individuals towards enlightenment and fulfillment, making them the masters of their destinies. With these laws at their disposal, individuals have the tools to shape their reality and unlock their full potential, leading to a life filled with positivity, love, and happiness.